Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sush and today's video is all about a festive look. And since festival is on the corners, and I thought okay, let's do some like festival makeup look. And I saw some of the creators doing this, so I thought okay, let's try this. And I kind of really like this look. Just my hair is not the way I wanted it to be, but I kind of whole makeup look I really liked it, and it's pretty simple. You can easily create this look and do it and rock your festive look. And that's all. I hope you guys will enjoy watching. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so I'm starting with a primer, and this primer is from Wet n Wild. It's a photo focus primer. It's really a good primer. I'm so sorry guys for my voice like sounding like this. I'm not well. I fall sick and yet I haven't felt like good, but I didn't wanted to miss my Saturday schedule of uploading a video, so here I am making one. And the foundation which I'm using is from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm just dotting the foundation all over my face, and I'll be blending it with a beauty blender. And I really hope you guys will like this look and this video. Trust me guys, I had zero energy of doing anything. I had different like ideas on my mind of doing and like making a video, and I was actually waiting for me like my this fever and all to like I was waiting myself to get better so that I can make the videos. But today is Friday and still I'm not feeling well and I have zero energy, so I thought okay, at least I can make this video just by sitting at one place. So here I'm making this video, and the concealer which I'm using, it's from Maybelline, and I'm applying it all over the areas like where I need to conceal myself. One thing I would like to tell you guys, like this concealer is not for a full coverage. If you're looking for a concealer which will give you a full coverage, then you should not get this one. Get a better one. I haven't tried any other concealer yet, so I cannot tell you guys like which is a good for the like full good coverage. It's good for the everyday and a light to medium coverage. The foundation which I have used, it's also the same. It will not give you a full coverage. It will give you slight light medium coverage, and these are good for the everyday basis. You can wear them. And now I'm using this banana powder from this palette of the Contour, and it's also from the Wet n Wild, and I'm just applying this banana powder all over the areas wherever I have applied the concealer, just to set my concealer so that it won't crease later on. And after the let out powder, I'm just like applying it all over my face, and after that I'm going to apply like this contour shade just to give a bit of effect on my face. But you guys can easily see that this contour shade is too light for me. I would have to get a better one or different one, but now right now I'm using this one only, and I'm just like applying it on my cheeks and on my jawline and some on my forehead just to give it a effect. And I'll be blending it with the same beauty blender, and you guys can see like how difficult it was for me to like build it up because it's too light for me. It's not that buildable, so I really need more and more contour just to make it look visible and make it look kind of effective. And after that I applied the banana powder just to like make it look more sharp on the areas where I applied the contour. And yes, I applied the contour on my nose also just to make it look more smaller and thinner. And after that I set it with a banana powder. And after that I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, and from this palette I took the orange transition shade just to do my crease, and I'm just blending it with very light handedly. I'm so sorry guys if you're getting any noise. My nephew is shouting at anything. he just want me to open the door, and I'm just like, I have locked the door to do the voiceover. So yes, and so sorry for that noise if you are getting. And yes, after that I'm taking the orange shade from this palette and applying it on my lids. One thing I would like to tell you guys, like this eyeshadow is a good one, but it's not that buildable. You have to take like a generous amount, not generous, like you have to take a little bit more amount of eyeshadow just to make it look more visible, because it's not that buildable. And I'm applying my concealer just to make it look different, or I'm trying to give it a different effect. So here I'm using a little tiny flat brush to apply my concealer, and after that I again took the orange shade just to apply it, because I felt like it was faded and I wanted that orange color to pop up, so I reapplied it on my lids. And yes, one more thing guys, if you are new to my channel and you are watching my videos for the first time, I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and fashion. So if these are of your interest, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you're welcome to my channel. And here I'm applying the golden shimmer shade firstly, and after that I applied the brown shimmer shade from this palette only. In this palette you will get two shimmers, that one is from the golden shimmer and the second one is brown shimmer. So I'm using both the shimmers in this look, and I'm applying them one after another just to give this look. And trust me guys, I really like this look a lot, and I don't know if you guys can actually see it or not on the camera, but when I saw it on the mirror, I was so shocked and so happy with the today's look. It turned out so beautiful. I wish I could have gone out somewhere wearing that makeup look, and if I would have wore a falsie, it would look exact the same, which I have seen many a time. And I reapplied the transition shade because I felt it was faded, and here I'm applying a brown shade on my outer corner of the eyes just to give a shadowy effect and make it look more better. So here I have taken the brown shade very minimal, and I'm just applying it very light-handedly, because here you have to be very careful. You don't want it to be a bit more loudy, you want it to be soft and yet effective, so be like soft-handedly. And after that I applied the orange shade on my waterline and smudged it, and after that I used the same brown shade which I used to create the shadowy effect on my waterline. And after that you guys can see my eyes like looked a bit more bigger, and on the inner corner of my eyes I applied the highlighter, so it was a bit more effect on the inner corner of my eyes. And for that I took the little tiny brush to apply that, and after that I applied the not mascara, it's a eyeliner, and it's from like Stay Quirky. And I'm so sorry guys for coming this close in the camera, because I haven't took any mirror and I did the whole makeup just by seeing in the camera, so I have to come this close to apply my eyeliner. And here you guys can see how beautifully my eyeshadow like eye look is looking, and I wish I have a falsie so that I could have wore it in this video. And after that I applied the blush, which is from Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and I applied the highlighter also, and did my brow, and applied a lip liner and then a lipstick, and ended my look by setting a makeup setting spray. And this is how it turned.
That's it for today guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I'll see you on Tuesday.